Hey guys, today I received this faucet with pull-down spray for event purposes. When we open the box, we find first the instruction manual with all the steps that we're going to use to install this faucet, and it does have a bulb, so it doesn't have to interfere with any kind of stroke, which I think that is nice. This is the main unit. As you can see, it has a beautiful brushed metal finish, and this is a sprayer. You control the water temperature with this side, and you can turn it around however you like it. On this side, we're going to place both of the hoses that we are going to use to use the water, which also comes included, okay? We've got one for the hot water, and we got the other one that we're going to use with the cold water, which I think that it's great. It comes included, so let's test it out. The assembly process is actually really simple. We just have to place the two hoses and place the main unit in our sink, which I think that it's really, really simple. And as I've said, it doesn't have a traditional gravity ball stretcher, which means that it won't be any interference with the other pipes in our cabinet, which I think that is nice. This is how it looks when it's already installed up, and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really beautiful minimalist design with a brushed metal finish, and with this side we can control the water temperature, which I think that it's square, okay? We got two different sprayer modes, the regular stream one and the shower like this one, and I think that it's gonna be really useful wherever you want to place it. This faucet has a magnet on this side to use the sprayer with that you just place in, and you can change the different modes with this button that comes in the sprayer, which I think that it's nice. Change it between the shower head like and the regular stream one, which I think that it's great. As I've said, as it has a magnet, we can just place it in the main unit and it will stay like that. I think that it's really, really beautiful. It's really, really helpful, and I would really recommend that. See you